In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use SimplyBook Me. So I'll go over everything they offer and basically how you can use it. To get started, I'll leave a link to simplybook.me down in the description. From there, just click on get a free account. So you can use it completely for free, and to get started, you can first choose your company URL. So just enter your company name, and at the beginning it will be a simplybook.me URL, but you can later change it and I'll show you how that works. Then enter your work phone right here and choose your business category. So in terms of business categories, they have the following you see here. If it's not in here, you can just click other, but for this example, I'll go with beauty and wellness. Then just set your location right here and click continue. After doing that, you can then enter your login information, so that's your name, email and password, and then you must agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and you can also choose to add your listing to the booking.page marketplace, and you can choose if you want to subscribe to promotional and marketing materials. And then just going to click on sign up now. So now they will create your booking website, and you can go and verify your email address by entering the 6-digit code sent to your email. So then just click on verify and continue. And now how do you want your clients to book your services? So basically here you want to choose whether you already have a website or not, or if you do already have a website, you could still choose to use a simplybook.me booking website because it may look better, but you can just try both as well. But I'm just going to use the simplybook.me website. But if you already have a good looking website, then you may want to consider the widget to add to your website. So then here you're going to set your company work hours, so your availability. For example, I'll set it till 5 p.m. every day, and then to change that for every day here, just click copy schedule to other days, and then for example on Saturday, I'll set it until 2 p.m. So then click save and continue, although you can also add breaks if you want. So for example, if I set a break from 12 until 12:30, then people cannot book in during that break. So then click save and continue. Now here you can set up your providers. Now a provider is someone that's actually doing the service. So for example, if you have a barber shop and there are 3 barbers, then you have those 3 providers, even if there's also, for example, someone behind reception. So I'll just, for this example, add 2 of them, and then just enter their names and choose the number of clients that they can handle at the same time. So for example, if you are doing something with groups such as yoga, then you could, for example, have 10 people at a time, but as a barbershop, most likely you just have 1. So after entering that, click continue, and then choose the service name. So you may have different services, so I'll just add a few for this example. And if you just have 1, then you only need the 1. So for example, I'll name service 1, cut men's hair. And service 2, I will say cut women's hair. And service 3, cut and dye women's hair. Now this is just a few examples, you can add much more, and then just set the duration. So cut men's hair should probably only take about 20 minutes. This one may be 30 and this one 1 hour. Then you can set a price for each service. And you can choose your currency here, so for me it's euro, but you can also set it to US dollar or any other currency. So then click continue. And now select your favorite look. So these are a few website templates. So you can just kind of see a preview of them here and find one that you like most. Now you can really easily change any colors and images. So it's mainly just about the layout and which of those you prefer. So for example, I think this one looks pretty good. So I'll take this one and click select. And now here just choose your company title, so your company name. Then you can describe your business, so a company description. Now you don't have to do this, but I do recommend it so that you can rank on Google. Now you can also generate a description and then it will generate something for you. Then here you can choose your colors. So they have a few pre-made sets right here. So hot pink, blue, yellow, natural or rosewater. So you can see what it looks like right there and find the one that best matches your brand. So for example, I'll take this one, and here you can always still switch the themes, and some of them also have different colors, but I'll just keep it with this one and take the natural colors and then click submit. So now you are good to go, and you can now click go to your booking website to preview it. So this is what it looks like. They can see your opening hours and stuff like that, as well as the description that you've added. your contact details and location, and they can click book now. And these are the 3 services that I have set up, so they can then select which one they want. And once they click select, they can then choose a provider. And I'll also show you how you can change providers for specific services. But for example, this one, and then based on the availability that you set, they can then pick a time. So for example, at 12 right here, and they then need to enter their name, email, and phone number, and then they need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click confirm booking. Now this is just a preview. To get started, you can click go to settings right here to make some more changes to your actual website. And from here you can also see all your bookings and all of that. So we have already set up working hours, but what you can also do is set up working hours for specific providers. So if you click manage providers and then go to settings right here, you will see all of your providers. So for example, if I click on Danny right here, I can then set a description for this person, a phone number and email address and an image. Then how many clients can this person serve at the same time? You can display the provider on the booking page, and you also have a specific link for this provider. And here you can set up their schedule. So if they have a different schedule from your opening hours, then you can set that up. For example, if this person doesn't work on Wednesday or Saturday, they can just remove those days. You can also set break times right here. Then here are services attached to this provider. Let's say that this provider only does women's hair in this case, then I can just select those right here and then click save and close. Then you can add a service provider's location and you have more options. So do you want to enable calendar sync, customize notifications, etc. Now you can just do that for every single one. Then to add more services, you can always click manage services, go to settings. So all of this is done from the manage tab right here. And then you can add more services. You can remove any services or edit them by clicking on them. They can add an image, a description, a price, a sales tax, and what you can also do is accept deposits. So this will decrease your no-show rate. So to do this, just click enable right here, and then the custom feature accept deposits was successfully enabled. Now if you go to payments right here, you can then click on payment processors, and from here you can then actually enable a payment processor so that you can start taking payments. So they have Pay Later, Stripe, PayPal, and a whole bunch more. I personally like Stripe, so you can just click activate right here and then connect Stripe. Now in your calendar section right here, you can see all of your booked appointments. And you can see it per service provider as well, and you can see per service for the timeline and all of that. So you can see the 2 service providers and you will be able to see all of their booked appointments right here. Now here in the marketing suite, they also have a suite of tools that you can use to market your business. So first you have your booking page right here. So basically booking.page is, I think, created by SimplyBook.me, and people go on here to find, for example, a barbershop near them, and then you get listed on there if you selected that at sign up, and they can then book in a service with you directly through here. So that's an extra way to get more clients. You can also create a client mobile app. So you can do that if you want, and you can set a booking website QR code, so you can download the image and print it, for example. You can set up Facebook and Instagram bookings, so you can add a book button to your Facebook and Instagram account. You can connect Google Business, social media and ads, Instagram photo sharing, Google reviews, and then have some more marketing tools, such as coupons and gift cards, custom emails, and more. Now in your reports, you can see all of your sales reports, booking details, payment transactions, your clients, and all of that can be seen from here. Now the custom features that are offered, you can see here, and in each plan you have a certain amount of custom features that you can use. So for example, you have intake forms, multiple locations, service categories, photo gallery, Instagram photo sharing, Google Translate, and much more. Now you can also see the membership here, so you can create memberships, you can get a custom domain. So to add a custom domain name, you need to pay a one-time activation fee of 119 euros. So you can just click on it and then you can purchase it. So click purchase right there, and then you will be able to connect your own custom domain for 119 euros. So it can be done in the free plan, but it is pretty expensive. Now in terms of the actual paid plans they offer, you can see right here, currently I'm on a free trial, and if you bill monthly, you can see the different plans down here. So the free plan gets you only 1 provider, 1 custom feature, and 50 bookings per month, which is great for people just getting started. Then the basic plan gets you 100 bookings per month, 3 custom features and 5 providers. You also get a POS, directory listings, coupons, payments and more. And you can see, and if you want unlimited custom features, 30 providers and 2000 bookings, you need to get the premium plan at 60 euros per month and goes all the way up to 99 euros per month for 5000 bookings per month. So that's how to use SimplyBook.me. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.